What's up guys? So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and this is my first unboxing video. So this is the new Sky Thunder RCTM stuff, and this is what it is. It's a little drone copter, and I'm not gonna test it, but when I have batteries, because I don't have batteries. Yeah, I'm gonna use it. So first unboxing, let's get it on. I made this Lego pocket knife, and I'm gonna open it up. Okay, opened. Really? There's tape on this pin. Okay. Well, we don't need to open it because it's just okay. So we got the Drono. Nice touch. Nice protector. Okay, put that aside. We have the controller. Cool. The charger for the copter and the controller. And the instructions. That's it. But I can't open this up because I don't have the batteries. But I might. If you guys want to learn how to make the pocket knife, it's simple. Just go on my other channel. Just go on my other channel and you'll see how to make it. If it doesn't work for you, like to open stuff, it's okay. Because me, I used lots of flat pieces how to start. And that's how I open them. Woo! Gosh darn tape. I heard it's your birthday. If you're thirsty. Okay. You opened it up. Whoa! It's a silver box! I don't get it. How do you freaking open this up? Well, time for another unboxing. No, just kidding, not for another one. Only the ones that are new, that's in a box. Not the ones that are like in a box that you just made up. But this I didn't make up. Yeah. So, oh wait, I forgot the controller. Charge. Softly. You fly. I don't know how to fly a drone at all. So, if you guys know how to fly a drone, please write in the comments below how to. Because if you have these kind of stuff, you'll know how. So, put that aside. And yeah, if you guys have a 3DS, make sure to comment down below. Tell me to go on my DS and try to connect to you. If I can't, I'm sorry. But if you guys are free on my 3DS, you'll see that I am a lonely person because I only have 5 people left in my So, thanks for watching, guys. If you like that little unboxing video, make sure to click subscribe and comment down below and like, just like it. Okay, that's all you need to do. If you don't want to, that's okay. Because if I'm a weird person, I would like to not do what I do. I'm sorry. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.